So hello guys, today we're going to discuss about the India's GDP figures which have come out 2 days ago. So what exactly is GDP? So GDP is basically the amount of investments or the consumption or government spendings that a country carries out. Plus the exports जो हमारी कंट्री की जो मैन्युफैक्चर्ड गुड्स हम एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं आउट ऑफ इंडिया to other countries minus the imports, the basically the manufactured goods that we take in from other countries. So to sum it up, it's basically the amount of goods जो produce होते हैं उनका अगर total value पकड़ेंगे, it is known as the GDP of a country. So what does the GDP figures of India indicate? So the GDP of India shrinks by 23.9%. So expected figure था कि India would shrink by about 19.2%. So considering that ये बहुत बुरी न्यूज़ है इंडिया के लिए and 19.2% was already a huge figure. 23.9% made it even worse. So basically the construction sector was expected to fall by a huge margin considering the lockdown, and it fell by 50%. The manufacturing sector fell by 39.3%, and the mining sector fell by 23.93%. So there's also a silver lining, which is agriculture sector rises by 3.4%. So basically, most of the people in India went to their rural areas, to their villages. So that way में India का agriculture production बढ़ा है, and also exports in the field of agriculture has also grown, which is kind of a good news for the agriculture sector and the only silver lining in the GDP figures. So ये GDP figures actually the GDP figures calculate होते हैं by considering both the organized sector and the unorganized sector. So GDP figures organized sector के लिए find out करना काफी it's not a difficult task, काफी हो जाता है, मतलब easily हो जाता है, but finding it for the unorganized sector is quite difficult क्योंकि most of the unorganized sectors don't pay GST and don't have any official way of connecting. We can't find out the income and etc. So उसके we need to go everywhere and find out the figures, which is not possible right now because considering the situation of coronavirus. So these figures may be revised in the future again. So ये तो हो गए figures की बात, but what does these figures mean for us, and what does it mean for the people who want to get employed in the future, who want to start their own business? Basically, for the common people of India, what does it mean? So negative growth rate would mean that consumption low हो रहा है, which is basically production low हो रहा है country में, which would lead to companies posting lower revenues, and most of the companies are also posting huge losses, which in जो हमें दिख रहा है उनके financial reports and balance sheets etc. से. So which was basically mean that companies अगर revenue bear नहीं कर पा रहे, so basically they'll have to remove employment from the companies, which will lead to higher unemployment in the country, and obviously the low per capita income of the country would get low. So which is already low. Actually, India की per capita income already lower as compared to other countries, and considering the growth rate, we were expecting अभी grow होना start होगी, but this coronavirus lockdown has only made things worse for the country. But obviously many analysis predict कर रहे हैं कि in the upcoming quarters India might again start to grow, and they're also predicting a V-shaped recovery, which is a good sign for India's growth rate and GDP data. So let's hope for a speedy recovery. Thank you, guys.